In this short video, I'm going to be showing you how to change all the fonts on your Figma project at once. Now, whether it's just you or it's a team of designers that work on the same project, sometimes for whatever reason, you might end up using different fonts and it can be quite annoying going back and forth changing every single one to the one that you want to use. So there's actually a very easy way on how you can go about changing all of them. In this case, I've set out 6 different types of text here using different fonts. So let's just suppose that I want to change all of them. I could either just select them like this, or I could just press Control and A, and that will highlight pretty much everything in my project. I can also select individual text that I want to change the font to by literally clicking on them while holding Shift. So let's just suppose that I want to change the fonts of these 4 to the same font. Now, what I want to do is head over here to the top left corner of the screen on the resources. Then from components, head over to plugins and then search for fonts changer. I've already searched for it here, so you can see. Click on that, and it will pop up with this window. So from here, see, I've selected 4 different types of text, which have 4 different types of fonts. You will see them right here on the left-hand side. So let's just suppose that I want to change the font only on the first 3 of them. And once you've done that, on the right-hand side here is where you have to choose the font that you want to change these fonts to that font. Basically, I'm just going to click on this one here as an example, and then once you're ready, click replace. And as you can see, the 3 fonts that I selected out of the 4 now have the exact same font. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you change all the fonts in your Figma project at once. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next one.